BSN Nursing solved paper conducted in 2024. I am going to share biology MCQs. Question number 11. Some bacteria have third outermost protective covering called C. Glycocalyx. Question number 12. Animals that produce and excrete uric acids are called uric lake. Question number 13. In Pakistan, Dash is the top milk producing buffalo. Neeli Ravi. Question number 14. The part of earth where life exists is called biosphere. Question number 15. The color of plant flowers is controlled by a specialized organelle called chromoplast. Question number 16. Substances in plants that absorbs visible light are called pigment. Question number 17. The inner side of virus capsids contain another part known as genome. Question number 18. At the catalytic site of enzyme, amino acids are responsible for catalytic activity. Question number 19. The process of exchange of gases in plants takes place mainly through a minute opening called stomata. Question number 20. The shrinkage of cytoplasm is known as plasmolysis. Question number 21. Fungi body is made up of thread-like structure called hyphae. Question number 22. AIDS is caused by virus HIV. Question number 23. Human skeleton comprises of bones and cartilage. Question number 24. Bone is a type of connective tissue. Question number 25. Excretion is the process of removal of metabolic waste produced by biochemical reactions in a body. Question number 26. Measles disease is transmitted through the air. Question number 27. The outer layer of human skin is made up of epithelial tissues. Question number 28. In human beings, arthritis affects joints. Question number 29. Cilia helps bacteria cell in locomotion. Question number 30. Deforestation results with a great loss in biodiversity. Question number 31. Chlorophyll molecules mainly absorbs orange-red from visible light. Question number 32. The nucleic acids are polymers of 5 sugar-based compounds called nucleotide. Question number 33. In the lipid layer of plasma membrane, Dash are also present besides lipids, protein. Question number 34. Increased level of calcium in urine is called hypercalciuria. Question number 35. Calcitonin hormone plays a role in maintaining proper level of calcium in blood. Question number 36. The attractive force between dissimilar molecules is called adhesive force. Question number 37. The group of ribosomes attached to a single mRNA is known as polysome. Question number 38. The isolation of cellular components to determine their structure and chemical composition is called cell fractionation. Question number 39. The liver is the largest gland in human body. Question number 40. In human beings, there are 31 pair of spinal nerves. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In the upcoming video, I will share physics MCQs for BSN nursing admissions.